Hello and welcome back to a solo traveler channel where you can learn advanced technique on how to divide numbers easily, efficiently, effectively, and skillfully. In today's video series, we will be learning how to divide now a two-digit divisor to several digits of dividend. And with that, we will dig a little bit deeper on how to divide advanced division. 3, 4, 2, 2, and 4. Now divided by 12. Okay, you follow along. Just pay close attention to every detail. 3 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, minus that 2 from 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Put that 1 here beside 4. It's now read as 14. Again, multiply this together. 2 times 2, 4. And minus this 4 from 14. Put that 4 here. And minus that 4. Now our new dividend is 10. Okay, next 10 divided by 1. Okay, we will think. We get 8. 8 times 1, 8. Now you minus that 8 from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now you put that 2 beside 2 and again multiply this together. 8 times 2 is 16. Now 22 minus 16, okay, this will become 1, will become 6. 6, 0. Now your new dividend is 6. Okay, 6 divided by 1 will get 5. Now 5 times 1, 5. 6 minus 5, you minus that 5 from 6. Answer is 1. Now 5 times 2, 10. You minus that again. 12 minus 10, 2. Okay, now this is now your new dividend, 2. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. Minus 2, 0. Put that 0 here. Now again, 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. As I always tell you that once you get a 0 dividend, that means you already reach and get your final answer. This is your final answer, 2,852. Watch this video again and again so that you have this full understanding on how to divide numbers. This is just the tip of the iceberg because I'm going to reveal to you a lot of technique how to divide numbers. This will come 3 digits and more digits of dividend. This we can divide 4 digits divisor, 5 digits divisor, and even 6 digit divisor with ease. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe because you will get a lot of informative lesson from this channel, and you also hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will get notified easily. 9, 4, my pen is not really cooperating. 7, 1 divided by 41. 9 divided by 4. How many 4 we can get from 9? 2. Now multiply this together. 2 times 4, 8. And minus that 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Put that 1 beside 4. This will read now as 14. And 2 times 1, 2. 14 minus 2, 12. Now you have new dividend, which is 12. Now, how many 4 you can get from 12? Of course, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 12, 0. Put that 0 beside 7 and multiply this. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, minus 7 minus 3, you will get 4. And now you have your due dividend. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now multiply this. 1 times 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4, 0. Put that 0 beside here. Now multiply this. 1 times 1, 1. Okay. 1 minus 1, you get 0 difference. Once you get a 0 dividend, that means, as I always tell you, that you already reach your final answer. And your answer is 231. Okay guys, I know this is confusing in the beginning, but if you watch this video again and again, you will get the full understanding on how to divide numbers. Just if you have any questions, please write that in the comment section below so that I can answer your questions in a proper manner. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye.